After 5 years off the calendar, the All Prep versus the All Primary School football match returned over the weekend, with the All Prep team coming out on top 1-0 at the St. Peter and Paul field. Man of the match, Daniel Scarlett of Our Lady of the Angels, scored the lone goal of the game after 3 minutes into the second half.
We knew, without even seeing the primary team, that it would have been a good team. These boys can play, and you look at the team today that played us. Quality all over the park. We outsmarted them to get the one goal, but it was a very, very competitive game. They're quick, technically sound, very skillful players. So we expected a tough game.
I'm pleased with the performance, because I know that this is the first thing for the first game for us against the All Prep School. So I know next year more prepare and more better. And as I said before, the guys have enjoyed themselves, and once they enjoy themselves, I feel good about it, and not only me, my entire coaching staff feel good about the game.